Hello?
Hey, how you doing, squad? I just want to let you know that you're amazing. You really are. Let me go and put it through to you. No telling what I do to you. Game recognized game. I'm never no lame, but it's you that I want and trust. I can provide for our future. Put my hat to the back, roll a sack while I kiss on your neck. It's kinda funny I seduce you. Thank God that the dogs introduced us. In love with a stripper part 2, huh? What you say? Come and roll with a stone, man. Got me on the cross, can't keep my mind off breaking you off like a fiend that's addicted to soft. Ain't no reason for you to be blowing me off. Take time right now that I call and get this out your head and maybe just lick on your click. No silly shit, fantasize a bit, but understand that I'm the man that maybe you should be kicking it with. J Mills is a hot one. Baby girl, let me pop one. All sick now. Look at here, gotta go, but before I go, please let a nigga know. If there's any more room, the more I show, a better treat, be a better meat. Go ahead, pull to the next stop. No more questions, that's them panties gon' drop. Ooh, girl, I think that you amazing. You amazing, you amazing. Why you all around strutting your stuff? I take this time and keep it blazing, keep it blazing. You amazing, you amazing. Yes you are, yes you are.
Yeah, never had a problem getting it. From the hoes to the cars and the money, yeah, it's all good. Never had to walk around with a knife or a strap, cause I was always raised in a white hood with a white good. Only thing on my mind was a dime or some kush or a bad bitch. Kept it moving if you lost and you never witnessed blood, cause them boys on the south is a savage and they feeling like maggots. Blood lost ain't shit to a nigga that done had it. And I never had to worry about shit, cause the boys I ran with either took it or grabbed it. Plus I never sold dope, so I guess I ain't average. Niggas talking like they mad shit, bust shells at a bitch. Go to jail for a bitch if you tryna speak loud without asking what's a casket. But let me tell you about my journey on the soft side. Had a girl in love with all the soft tie. Up to date, always drove in a boss ride. Never hated, so she rode with the off pride. She was the type to never fall in, never regretting, always betting till she all in. Smoked weed on occasions, never really blazing, eyes never really Asian. But baby girl, you amazing. Never had the time to take out and tell you how I really feel. We could take a ride on the side without rolling on a pill with me and my cousin J Mills. I'm on a journey just to get you wet, never really worry about how you feel. But baby girl, you amazing, and I never wanna lose you, cause we always keep it real. Baby girl, you amazing.
You make change all up, I'm going hard in the fast lane. No other black or white or Puerto Rican either. Hate your girl could bring what you really bring. Make it harder on me, but I'm a P, let it be what it be. I ain't rocking no skinny jeans. Need a thug in your life, we can ride like Bonnie and Clyde. Smoke kush to a good thing. You got me on the days, wonder ways on earth did you manage to fit off up in those jeans? Let the ties connect, great sex, why how on that? So I pump a shot to that freaking beat. Let me hold you down, just a nigga from the incredible fan of all of the stripping scene. This is not an illusion, keep doing what you're doing while I rock it out cold twist to the beat. Oh girl, you amazing. You amazing, you amazing. Why you all around strutting your stuff? I take this time and keep it blazing, keep it blazing. You amazing, you amazing. Yes you are, yes you